I want you to ask yourself, all the negative things what you say to yourself in your mind, would you say those same things to your friend standing next to you? Welcome back to Estonian Girl in Hollywood. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a wonderful holidays filled with laughter and with your loved ones. Today I want to talk to you guys about New Year's resolutions. New Year 2019 is just around the corner, and I am sure that everybody are putting together their goals. I really urge you to take that time, take a whole day if you need to, or days, a week, to actually write down your goals, what you want to do in 2019, what you all want to accomplish in 2019. Do a big vision board filled with quotes and pictures and your loved ones and all those successes, all your heroes, idols. Put all of them in your vision board, whatever matters to you, and look at it every morning when you wake up and every evening when you go to bed, at least twice a day. Visualization is definitely the key for it. I really urge you to listen to this. There is never a perfect time, so this is the best time. We all have so many excuses in our life. For example, when I was wanting to do this YouTube channel, I had been doing it back and forth, but I had all of these excuses. I know this is a simple thing, but there were lots of excuses. I don't have a proper gear, I don't have a proper camera, the lenses, the backdrop, the lighting. What am I gonna talk about? What are gonna be all those specific topics? How many videos do I have to shoot beforehand? Do I even know how to edit? Do I have an editing software? How the sound works? All of those things, so many excuses to hold me back. But guess what? You have to start somewhere. Just start. I also know that a lot of you say that I don't have time for this. I have a full-time job, I have 3 jobs, I have 4 kids to take care of, I have a husband, a mom, a dad, a brother, a sister to take care of, I have health issues, I have so many things going on in my life. But guess what? Every single person in this planet Earth has 24 hours in a day. So if you really want to make something happen, you will make time for that. You will choose to make time for that. I know a lot of you are setting fitness goals for 2019, that you're gonna be the best shape of your life. So one thing what I urge you to do right now is to go and sign up for a class right now. Get in that class already 2018. Be ahead of that game. Stop waiting for that next year, next month, next day, your birthday, all that perfect timing. It will never show up. The better you will never show up if you do not start right now. Also about fitness is what I really recommend, and where I have come to is that if you follow me and follow my journey, you'll know that I'm completely obsessed with hot yoga. And it has been a journey to get there, to find a place where I love working out, where I'm happy to go to and put in that work for my body. Because remember, your body is the only place where you truly have to live in. All the other factors are changeable. You can change your environment, your people, but you cannot change your body, where your soul is in. This is the only place where you have to live in, is in your body and your mind. So about fitness, what I urge you to do is to try out different things. Try out new studios, try out new classes. I promise you, you will find that perfect place where you feel like home. You feel like a community filled with people who are like-minded like you and want to achieve similar goals like you in a fitness world. And guess what? The worst place where you can end up is literally right now where you are at. I really want you to hear that. Like, the worst place where you can end up is right now where you are with your life. So why not try? The biggest thing what holds us from our goals is the fear of unknown, the fear of failure. But guess what? No big hero of yours or idols of yours have never just come to that place where they are right now. They all have failed at least once in their lifetime. So you gotta try. You gotta step out of that comfort zone. I know it's so cozy and so nice and so routine in there. You know what to expect. But guess what? There's a whole nother life. Just if you take that little step out of your comfort zone. Do yourself a favor and go for it. Really, really, really go for it. Not for anybody else. Like, we're currently living for other people to satisfy those fantasies of our parents where they want us to be, or our husbands, our wives, our kids. Like, we're living constantly for somebody else. Live for you, what you actually want to do in your life, sweetheart. You deserve that. I want you to really listen to me right now. To all my insecure women out there, I want you to know that you are beautiful inside and out, and you are worthy. Worthy. You are worthy of love. You are worthy to love and being loved. You are worthy to have that inner peace in you. You are worthy for your success. You are worthy to be successful, to have all of those dreams what you have ever desired to have. You are worthy. That's a big thing, worthiness. Sometimes we feel so insecure in our bodies because we live in this social media world where comparison is what we do daily basis. In 2019, I urge you to not compare your life to others. I know that this world filled with social media, newspapers, celebrities, all that fancy life can get us. We can get into that trap of following social media all the time and comparing me and my worth and my life to other people. Well, guess what? Comparison is a thief of joy. All the things what people portray in the media are their highlights, their success stories, their all of their beautiful marriages, relationships, what we admire and wish we would have. Guess what? Nobody is perfect. You never know what's going on in the back scenes. There's a whole nother side of that story. So compare your life to yourself. Compare yourself to yourself. And when you do see your friend being happy and successful, be happy for them. Smile with your heart. Say, I am happy for you, sweetie. I am happy. You are inspiring me. Rather than that I envy you and I wish I would have that life. Be a better version of yourself. Be a better person than you were yesterday. Show kindness. to yourself. I know we can be our own biggest critics, but I also know that we can be our own biggest cheerleaders. So I really, really, really want you to know that you are beautiful inside and out. You are loved, and again, you are worthy. Your ideas are worth listening to. That's a big thing. Your ideas are worth listening to. You are worth listening to. You have something to give to this world. There's a very little chance of you even being born in this world. So this life, what you have, is a gift. There's a very little chance of you even being born in this world. So this life, what you have, is a gift. Remember, you were not born in this world just to be good. You were born to be great. I believe in you, so you should too. Believe in yourself. You got this. Happy New Year. I can't